Hello friends, good morning. Today is 13 July, Saturday, and we are going to a new place. It is in border of Karnataka, and actually it is present in Andhra Pradesh. The place called Lepakshi. So it is around 130 plus kilometer from Bangalore. It's a short day trip, and with us today our parents also going.
Baba.
So let's stay with us. It is just 9 a.m. in the morning, so probably it will take 3+ hours. We'll stop in between for a short breakfast maybe, and we'll show you the route. We are taking basically the NH40 but straight towards from airport side, and let's see how is the traffic condition and when we can reach. But as per Google, it will take around 3 hours. So stay with us. So we crossed Hebbal and Yelahanka within some 30 minutes. It's moderate traffic since it is a Saturday morning. So traffic is a little moderate, but now probably the road will be little free. So yeah, we are enjoying. So we have stopped for a quick breakfast just after toll of airport, Devanali toll. This is Srinidhi Bhavana. So let's see how it would be. But today is pretty crowded, it seems. It may take some time. Let's see.
So now we are eating puri, idli and vada. It's very crowded, so we are not able to sit all together. So as of now, we are scattered here and there.
Hi guys, we are here. I am eating puri and rice today.
Okay.
Just now we had our breakfast. Now it's 11:07. According Google, 84 kilometers are remaining. Hopefully we will reach on time.
So we have almost reached Lepakshi. From this point, it is around 2 kilometers left. It is NH 544E. So till now, road condition is pretty good. 80 पार्किंग कहाँ पे? सामने.
আমি দিচ্ছি কইছি আমাদের খুঁজে আছে
How much?
कितना आवर?
टाइमिंग कोई नहीं है
कोई नहीं है. हाँ?
80 rupees.
80.
So this is the Jatayu cave. Now we are entering towards the Jatayu cave. This is the entrance and entry fee is 10 rupee per person. We have to walk through these steps. Not that much steps only. It's walkable.
Right now we are in Jatayu theme park of Lepakshi. It is believed that during the fight with King Ravana for rescuing Sitama, Jatayu fell down here. So from then onwards, one king has made a statue in Lepakshi, and it is pretty nice. We have to climb a bit with stairs. Probably just 60 to 70 stairs. Then we have to reach this viewpoint, and currently it is around 1 p.m. But it is very windy and pleasant.
We are going towards temple. This area is parking for temple, but for Jatayu cave you need to climb few steps, so it can be problematic for elders. So this is the Lepakshi temple. For entering you have to open your shoes here. It's a very big temple. Architecture is very nice.
Hi Arkya,
Hi.
what are you doing?
I am just trying to make some fun time.
Fun time. Okay, are you enjoying?
What is fun time?
Fun time is running everywhere.
Okay, you want to run? Let's run. But be careful, okay?
So currently we are in Lepakshi temple. It is also famous as Veerbhadra temple, and Veerbhadra means another form of Shiva. So here it is very nice weather currently, and this sculpture and the monumentary work of this temple is amazing. The Veerbhadra temple, popularly known as the Lepakshi temple, is located in Anantapura district of Andhra Pradesh. Built in 1533 AD by Vijayanagara rulers named Virupanna Nayak and Virana. It is famous for its brilliant architecture that will take your breath away. The main temple is laid out in three parts. Those are the assembly hall known as Mukha Mantapa or Natya Mantapa or Ranga Mantapa. Second part is Ardha Mantapa or Antarmahal. And the third part is Garbhagriha. So this Nandi bull, as you can see, it is a monolithic bull, Lepakshi. It is being made by a grand cutout of sculpture of a huge granitic rock. So we have completed the places of Lepakshi, at Jatayu theme park, Lepakshi temple, and the
Bull.
Nandi bull. So now it is around 2:38. So we are starting. So in between we'll take one stop for having a brief lunch, maybe on the highway. Let's see where we can stop. And then we'll be heading towards Bangalore. So stay with us.
So we are going for lunch now. There's Big Bay. We will be having our lunch here only. Arkia, what are you going to eat in your lunch?
I want to eat a pork.
With pork, what do you want to eat?
I want to eat curd rice.
Okay, but for that you need spoon. So we have completed our lunch. It is bit late because we traveled from Lepakshi to Big Bay area, and that is almost 45 kilometers on the NH44 from Lepakshi. But it is pretty good option because we'll get a lot of food option over there. So basically on the Lepakshi font, if we can see, it is a very good option for a day trip, especially the architectural point and the link with Ramayana, the Jatayu thing. It is pretty nice. If you go there and watch those things, see those things, observe, and you will come to know, you can relate with the Ramayana. So yeah, you can, I mean, it can be covered within some 6 to 7 hours up and down from Bangalore. So it is a very good option. And the entry fees, parking charges are very minimal. The entire Lipakshi zone, they are taking only one area parking charge, and you can park the car whether you want to go in theme park or the bull area, Nandi bull area, or the temple area. So only one time they will take 80 rupees parking fee, and it will be one time you can stay for, you can park for a day itself. And there is only one entry fee in Jatayu theme park, that is 10 rupees, and it's pretty good. So yeah, I recommend you can go for it. Will be a good drive as well, because NH44 is pretty nice, and also NH544E, which is in AP, that 20-kilometer stretch is also very nice. So yeah, you can plan and go. So from this point we are like 80 kilometers behind from our home, so we'll be reaching somewhere within maybe 2 hours. So we'll be ending our vlog now itself. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So please stay tuned with us for new travel vlogs. Thank you.